Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a Peppa Pig and George Pig. Let's start drawing. To start, I draw a Peppa Pig. I start with her eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek and also her ears. I draw her body and arms and her two legs. Here is her tail. Let's draw a little George. His eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head, his mouth, and a circle for his cheek. And I draw his ears. And now I draw his body, his arms, and legs. Finally, I draw his tail. Great job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. At first, I paint George Pig. His skin is pink. Awesome! Light purple for his cheek. For his dress, I use blue. I like drawing and painting Peppa Pig and George Pig. Now let's paint a Peppa Pig. I use pink for her skin. They look so great! Light pink for her cheek, red for her mouth. I paint her dress with red. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you! It looks so amazing! See you on the next video!